Hear it? It's all juicy now. I had to do it.
Phil, you are mean.
I know, I had to.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Wycomico County in southeastern Maryland, central Worcester County in southeastern Maryland until 9 p.m. At 8:35 p.m. Severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Fruitland, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Snow Hill around 8:45 p.m. Newark around 8:50 p.m. Berlin around 8:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Longridge, Chedartown, Salisbury, Wycomico, Public Landing, Powellville, Ironshire, Mount Wesley, Whitten, Whitesburg, and Lakewood. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA.